Hurricane Zayala is now a hurricane with winds of 100 miles per hour and a pressure of 973 millibars. It is now a Category 2 hurricane as of 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hurricane Zayala is now expected to rapidly intensify into a Category 4 hurricane and strike North Peak, possibly at its peak intensity. Warnings are up everywhere now. The watches hour warnings in this area have all been upgraded. Here's our forecast we have came up with. Category 4 you see right there, as it is in a rapid intensification phase currently, and then we are expecting it to reform into a subtropical cyclone later on. Thanks for watching. We'll be back for another update at 8 o'clock.